Big spread, big spread. Sana lucid. Yeah. Wait. Hodge looking. Wait. Look on the gate, on the gate. In 3, 2, 1, on the gate. Trap you on the gate. Kill this dog. Dog. Fucking cheaters. Come back. Wait for CD. Come back, guys. Come back. Max Fear, come back. Kill the choke. Come back. QW on the guys inside. Healer tanks. Come back. Come back. Look northwest in 3, 2, 1. Northwest na. Hit the northwest. Come back. Spread. Hodge looking. QW on the hodge. Nice. Dog. Spread again. Come back. Rabbit looking. On the choke na. Ready to hit the choke. Wait. After root 1. 3, 2, 1. Hit the choke na. Hit the choke with everything. Come back. QW this guy. After cleric. 3, 2, 1. On the cleric guy. Kill this dog. Come back. Come back. Wait. Look southeast. 3, 2, 1. Drop yun southeast. Hit the south. Come back. Wait for CD again. Patient. Kill front. Kill tank. Come more southeast. Spread. Spread. Come back keys. Debating. Come is. Wait. Spread. Come north, spread. On rabbit now. Drop yun rabbit. Hit on rabbit. Rabbit now. Everything on rabbit. Everything on rabbit. This is caller. Come back. Heal first. Heal lucid. Come back. Wait for CD. Heal up. Spread. Itachi. Wait. No, hindi. Malapit na. Heal. Use Gigan. Wait. Look southwest ha. Wait. Spread. You're too clump. Rabbit looking. Ready look on rabbit. 3, 2, 1. Rabbit now. Everything on rabbit now. Kill this dog. Dog. Gana. Caller dead. Walk southwest now. We collapse on them. Fucking kill them all. Fucking dogs. Kill them na. Kill them. They're running. Fucking easy. Cheater. Yeah, come to blooping. Namatay clumper niya eh. His hodge die early. Like a dog. Walang kwenta kung mag-aircom siya ng incubus. Walang pang-hold. Tanga eh. OP2. All you have to do is flipper counter and they get fucked. Goyatos to. GW. Ready drop E. 3, 2, 1 drop E. We lose our healer. Yeah, miss eh. Yung blight healer ko. Naipit sa southwest. OP3. Imagine losing to BBA comp, bro. Full Clotty. DPS. That's a dog shit there.